Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful cake drips, step by step. First, ensure your cake is well chilled. This is crucial for preventing drips from running too far. Next, we'll prepare a simple, delicious ganache using just 2 ingredients. Getting the right consistency is key, so I'll guide you through that. Finally, I'll demonstrate how to apply the drips evenly around the cake's edge and then fill in the top for a polished finish. Let's get started. Creating the ganache is simpler than you might think. For a rich dark chocolate drip, aim for a 1-to-1 ratio of chocolate to heavy cream by weight. If you're using white chocolate, a 3-to-1 ratio of chocolate to cream usually works best. Gently heat your heavy cream until it just begins to simmer, then pour it directly over your chosen chocolate. Let it sit undisturbed for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the chocolate to soften. Then stir until it's perfectly smooth and glossy. The consistency of your ganache is paramount for beautiful drips. After mixing, let it cool to room temperature, which typically takes 10 to 20 minutes. Before applying to your cake, always do a test drip on an inverted glass or a plate. If the ganache runs too quickly and pools, it's too warm, so let it cool for a few more minutes. If it's too thick and doesn't drip far, warm it gently in the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. You want it to flow smoothly, creating elegant, controlled drips. Now for the exciting part, applying the drips. You can use a squeeze bottle for precise control or a spoon for a more rustic look. Begin by carefully applying ganache around the top edge of your chilled cake, allowing it to fall naturally down the sides. Vary the amount you apply to create drips of different lengths. Once the sides are done, pour the remaining ganache onto the top of the cake and spread it evenly with an offset spatula. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.